Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I am doing a complete edit on this particular pour that I did on a video a day or so ago. So I'm just briefly sped up the video to go over how I did my base coat and the reason why I changed it. So to give you some idea of all this craziness, if you've already seen this part of the video, you'll remember all of this, but I've really sped it up so I can just show others that maybe didn't watch the first part of what I'm talking about and remind myself as I go along the reasons that I wasn't happy with it. So I started off, as you can see, with the base coat like this and mixed colours and put them on there. And as you'll find, if you've watched it, you'll know that I wasn't completely happy with it. So I'll let you watch until the part where I just want to completely change it. And then there'll be the video of, I'll film the change. So keep watching, please. So I kind of I loved my balloon work in it, absolutely loved the colours in there, on there as they were, but just didn't like them with that blue and white blowout. The colours together are just gorgeous, so I'll definitely do those colours again, but not with the top colours. That just doesn't complement, I don't believe it complements each other. Others might have a different opinion. And as you can see on that particular one, all of my balloon kisses, or most of them, I was putting on that spare canvas next to it to make another little piece of art. So now's the time for the change. I've just completed this video for this particular piece, which is already will be posted. I'm going to post it, but I'm not happy with these colours. With this, I'm really happy with this, but I'm not happy. I will post the video to the original me doing it, but lots of people say when you change it, can you show us what you do? So I'm going to show you. I'm going to try and salvage this for something that I am happy with. So I'm literally gonna scrape off that bottom. I'm going to try and incorporate colours that I believe will complement my other bits. So I just hope to goodness that I've done the right thing. If I haven't, I will scrape the whole canvas off. I will take it outdoors and I will hose the canvas down with the water hose. That's what we call it in Australia anyway, water hose. So I'm just showing you because I've been asked, oh, when you scrape paintings off or when you change them, can we actually see what you do? So yes, here is what I do. If you're not happy with it, you've got to change it. I mean, it probably would have sold very well, but I will still keep looking at it and thinking, no, should have changed that. So I'm going to go again, and I really hope that I've done the right thing. So there wasn't that much paint on there to really salvage. I can scrape that paint up when I have finished and put it in a separate container for a base coat. So there you go. I am starting with a new base, and I'm going to use, I'm just hoping that I've done the right thing. I'm going to put some white down. I've got to try and, I don't know, just wasn't happy. I think it was more so that green, the pear, that I didn't like. Yeah, to me it just clashed with the deep sea, because I used, where is it now? I made up the dark sea with the pearl mist, which gives this awesome glimmering, shimmery effect. And I've also put some of that pearl mist into my Berry Delicious. So I'm going to go again with the purple berry, because I still think that looks nice with turquoise, but I'm going to put gold with it, I think. Doesn't work, you know. Let's just claret and blue looks nice, so this is claret and blue, bluish. I'll see how it goes. Like I said, if I'm not happy, I'll scrape it, because you pay a fair bit for a nice canvas, so you do want your canvas to look out, you know, something that you're happy with. So try again. So I will put some more of the dark sea with that gorgeous glimmering, glistening effect in it. I definitely think it was that pear colour that, if you watch the other video, I'll put the link in the first comment if you haven't already seen the video. And now I'm going to give it a good squirt of my champagne gold that I custom make. I custom make this champagne gold with 50% gold, metallic gold, and 50% metallic silver. And it makes this gorgeous champagne colour gold. So I'm going to give a good squirt of that and hope that I've got it right this time. Going to give it the wiggles. It's already feeling better to me. It's already gelling more in my head than the previous colours that I used. So I've got Poppy's barking. I've got the washing machine. I should turn that off, but it's only got 2 minutes to go. So this is real life. I keep telling my husband I need an art room that's away from all the noise. Wow, I much prefer that colour. So let me see if I can salvage this canvas, or I need to give it a scrape off completely. I will give it a hit with the heat wand. I'm almost very tempted to see if I can blow this a little bit around, but without it making mud. This little tiny hair dryer I found in the charity shop, so I'm going to see if I can get it to work. Maybe if yeah, let's see if I can. I'm just going to have a go. Take it slow, Jilly. Take it slow. Think about it. Oh, cloth. good to turn the actual thing off when you try and put the end back on. It's very hot, maybe because I've, ow, that hurts. Maybe because I've put the tape over it, making the heat up quickly. But look at that effect. Ah, that's even nicer than doing the balloon. No, it's not nicer than doing the balloon, but anyway, I'll keep trying. Turned it down a little bit now, giving me a little bit more control. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at the effects in that. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to balloon that. That is gorgeous. Oh, my washing's finished. It's all happening. Rightio. The puppies are going off. Oh, I'm going to just try one thing here. It's just a bit of white. I'm going to see if I bring a little bit up into the... Yes, it's a Samsung washing machine. Had it probably. Oh no, it's not. It's a Samsung. Yeah. Sings to me. Serenades me in my art room. All right, I am going to leave that. That was absolutely well worth taking off that other colour, because that is something that I am super duper happy with. So let the drying gods be on my side for that drying nicely. Puppies, oh my gosh. Just turn the volume down if the puppies affect you. It's real life. But that is gorgeous doing that you not want straight blowout. The blowout in all different directions, in short bursts. Oh, definitely going to do that again. So there you go. I am really happy with this one now. So I hope you think it's an improvement. I think the colours are so much nicer. I've definitely lost my gold, but I only did a bit of squirting in there, so maybe I'll try it. I have got a nice big gallery wrap canvas that I can certainly try this on. So until tomorrow, people, I can't stand any more dog barking, and I bet you can't too. So till tomorrow, please join me tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscription button. It costs you absolutely nothing, and it helps me. So until tomorrow, take care. Bye for now.